let's talk about using styles and descriptors in your prompts. Remember to return to our original prompt structure, a picture, photo, painting, etc. of topic, background, or other details in the style of artist or photographer. Descriptors, parameters. In this episode, we are going to focus on the last part, which is in the style of an artist or photographer, and then the descriptors. This can completely change a picture's style in all different types of ways, at times with words that might not make sense together, but do tell the AI important things about what you want. Check out this prompt. A green dragon in a forest in the style of Louis Royo, intricate, hyper-detailed. The word intricate and hyper-detailed are the descriptor instructions of the prompt. And we get this, which I think you would agree has a lot of micro details. And this isn't even the upscale version yet. Cool, right? Let's try the same topic, same background, in a different style. A green dragon in a forest in the style of Rembrandt, oil brushstrokes, neoclassical. The word oil brushstrokes and neoclassical are the descriptor instructions of this prompt. And you can see these are different from the other images with more brush strokes. Now let's try photography. A green dragon in a forest in the style of Ansel Adams, cinematic photography. Now the dragon looks more 3D because that's the style of Ansel Adams, specific photography style. We can start upscaling the images to really notice the style change and how descriptors impacted the final image. This is from the intricate, hyper-detailed descriptor. The details are mesmerizing. Probably would have taken a real artist at least hours, if not days, to draw this image. This is from the oil brush strokes, neoclassical descriptor. Would you agree? These really do have a painting style to it, right? And finally, this is from the Ansel Adams cinematic photography descriptor. These dragons look like forest sculptures, crisp-looking lines that are usually found in that type of style.